How to add a password to your Canva account. Hey everyone, I'll show you guys how you can easily add a password to your Canva account. So the first thing you do is open up your web browser and then simply go to the search bar, search for canva.com. Usually what happens is people continue with their Google account so that they don't have to create a password for their account. But in some cases, if you want to add a password to make your account more secure, you can click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner, assuming that you've already logged in using your Google account, and then you're going to have to go to the settings menu. Once you go to settings, you'll find all of the details about your account, like your name, email address, what you're using Canva for, then what's connected to your account, like apps like Google Sheets, and many more. Then you're going to have to go to the login section right here, down below your profile. And right here, you'll be able to add a password to your account. So as you guys can see here, to add password to your account for the first time, you'll need to use the password reset page to verify your identity. So click on this link right here where it says password reset page, and a new page will appear on your screen. So you are going to have to verify your identity, like first enter your email or phone number that's connected to your account. I'll just enter my email. Then they will send you a code in order to verify. So let's just open Gmail on a new tab. In here, I've gotten the code from Canva, so I'll just copy this, go here, and then paste the code. And it will automatically verify the code. So you can enter your new password right here and confirm your password. So let me just go ahead and quickly enter my password. So once you've created your password and confirmed your password, it is encouraged to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make your password strong and secure. Now click on Set Password, and now you've successfully updated your password on Canva. So it will direct you to your Canva page. Now you can just click on the login option to continue to your account. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.